Students, today we are going to continue our same chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is DBMS, Data Manipulation Language, DML. The language which is used to manipulate data in the database is known as data manipulation language. This language provides command to select and retrieve data from the database. Example: to insert a record in a table, a DML statement is used to modify records in a table. Another DML statement is used to delete a record in a table. The DML statement is used. Other commands are select, log table, etc. Structure of DBMS. The major components of DBMS are briefly described below. First is data definition language compiler. It converts the data definition statement into a set of tables. Next is data manager. It is the database control system. The data manager is responsible for interfacing with file system. It also maintains and secures the data. Next is file manager. It takes the responsibility for the structure of the files and manages the file space. It also requests the required block from the disk manager and transmit the required record to the data manager. Next is disk manager. All physical input and output operations are performed by disk manager. It transfers the blocks of pages requested by the file manager. Next is query processor. It interprets the online user's query. Telecommunication system. Online users communicate by sending and receiving messages over communication lines. Next is data dictionary. Information about the structure and usage of data contained in the database is maintained in a data dictionary. Advantages of DBMS. First is it avoids unnecessary duplication of data, which is known as data redundancy. It allows sharing of data. Next is it provides accurate and consistent data. And last is it allows authorized users to access data. Thank you.